Laser-free hydroxyradical protein footprinting makes identifying protein interaction sites and regions of conformational change much easier, accelerating research in protein aggregation, structure, and stability studies. With inline radical dosimetry, users can adjust the effective hydroxyradical load in real time. And with real-time radical dosimetry, you can save experimental time and precious sample while improving labeling reproducibility.
To begin, cleave a 250 micrometer inner diameter silica capillary to 27 inches with a silica cleaving stone, checking the ends of the capillary for a clean and straight cut. Create 2 windows of roughly 15 millimeter length. From the lower end of the capillary, burn away the polyimide coating 90 millimeters up to create the photolysis window, and 225 millimeters for the dosimeter window. Insert the lower end of the capillary just beyond the conical end of a nut and ferrule. Add the capillary to port 5, tightening just beyond finger tight with a wrench. Remove the photolysis cell cap of the photolysis module by pulling it straight out. Then remove the magnetically mounted metal mask, which will hold the capillary in place. Open the dosimeter cell by pushing on the tab on the left, and swing the dosimeter cell open to the right. Remove the magnetically mounted clips that will hold the capillary in place. Then place the capillary into the grooved channel at the base of the photolysis cell, and center the capillary window with the photolysis cell window. Hold the capillary in position and add the magnetic mask.